And there goes our old GE washer through the kitchen and out through the garage. Will be followed by the dryer to make room for our new GE washer and dryer set from Home Depot. We're back at Laundromat, our favorite place. We brought our heavily soiled towels to use this industrial washing machine, but we don't have to bother with drying the clothes. We've got a brand new dryer waiting at home for us.
And here we are watching the minutes. Countdown 25 minutes.
We had to come back to the laundromat to wash these towels. They were really soiled. We used them for cleaning up the mess from the old washing machine, and we just didn't want to put it in the brand new washer. So the towels are done now. Now we get to see just how well this dryer works for our first ever load of wash. When it's washing, there's a lot of shaking going on, and I've never seen a basin that wobbles like this. It's free floating, and I guess that's normal on a newer washing machine. Just not used to seeing it like that.
And spin. I can stop and start it. Temperature control is set at cold.
Holy shit, that's the loudest buzzer I've ever heard. It sounds like America's Got Talent when they X out one of the bad contestants. I'm not gonna, I don't think I'm gonna live with that. I'm gonna have to find a way to disconnect the wire in the back. I learned how to disconnect that horrible buzzer. First, disconnect the power, then take 5 screws off the panel, lift the panel out, and look for the black buzzer. That's the buzzer right there, and that's the black wire. I've got to pull that black wire out and wrap it with electrical tape, put it out of the way, and now the buzzer has been disconnected. Okay, we've got a brand new washer and dryer. It's in operation right now. It's got a different sound from the last one. It's like wah, wah, wah. Alright, so maybe it's good for another 28 years, and I'll be 106 years old. So let's see who makes it. I don't know if we've reached a final verdict yet, whether we're going to keep the washer and the dryer. What do you think?
I'm thinking real hard and I'm not coming up with answers yet. My problem is I don't know how it's supposed to work versus what it is doing.
Well, at least we were able to stop the buzzer. We pulled out the dryer, 5 screws in the back, took the panel off, removed one black wire, taped it up, put it all back together again, and we finished a load of wet clothes and it didn't buzz, so that's good. The washing machine does vibrate a lot, and it's because of that free-floating drum that it has. We hope that's all it is. So we're just going to keep the set. I'm pretty sure we're just going to keep the set, and I'll just end it right here. Thanks for watching. If anything develops in the future, I'll post a follow-up video.